So today I've bought some Brisk high performance and racing spark plugs. But what could I possibly put them in? Well, how about a four-wheel drive V6 Toyota? No, wait a minute. It's in a shipping container. Well, how about the black LS swapped? Nope. It's also in a shipping container. Reason for that is because I'm in the middle of moving, but I also bought me some racing components. But what could I possibly put these into? Well, I could put them into that red Turbo Civic. Oh, no, wait, it's in another shipping container, just like this one. So I guess I'm gonna have to put them into the only other car I got, which is a 2001 Tahoe. Because race car? Well, yeah, I mean, why not, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's unbox these suckers and see what we've got here. You know, one thing I did notice? It's a pretty small and pretty light little box, and yet for some reason, it costs $17 to ship this tiny little box. I mean, it's not like they were next day aired or anything like that. But okay. What the hell is this? Is this like a poster or something? Would have been nice if they rolled it instead of folding it up and ruining the damn thing. What is all this? No, I didn't buy either one of those spark plugs. Nor any of those. Nor those. Nor the... Why are these in the box? What the hell is this? History lesson? Brita Company found, and then Independent Award. Launching third gen spark. Brisk receives... Wait a minute. Brisk right here, and then Brita up here. Did they change their name at some point, or is this just letting us know the beginning of spark plugs? Because I think spark plugs have been around before 1935. And again, I don't have any of those. Okay. I thought this was going to be something cool, like a poster or something like that. I don't know why the hell they sent me these. That's the spark plug I got. Laser technology. Oh, it's patented too. Alright, let's open one of these suckers up. That's right. 8 spark plugs for $120. That's $15 a pop. These things better be worth it. And there you go. Clearly different from your average spark plug. Check out this little video that these guys have posted of why I bought these. That's right, these suckers are supposed to be able to do what I was originally informed was 3 sparks per ignition. But when I started looking through this paperwork stuff, it said something about 2 sparks instead of 3. Maybe it was just a fluke when they had the third spark happen sometimes, and they're just trying to save their ass by saying 2. I don't know. Anyway, let's go put these suckers in and see if they make any kind of a difference. There's your size comparison between the stock one and the new one. You see that this little tail sticks out way further than the new one does. Does that mean that I could put a stroker in this thing if I wanted to and have that piston coming up even higher and I wouldn't have to worry about it hitting, detonating, and taking out part of my plug? Because that'll be cool if I can do that. Putting some more performance mods to this thing, that'd be nice. I'll tell you one thing that sucks about this engine. Maybe it's just the fact that the truck weighs 6,700 pounds or what, but I can never get this thing to do a standing burnout. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. If you got a Chevy, it's like, what the hell? How come that don't work? I don't know if it's because it weighs so much, or if maybe the engine's really low on power for some reason. Maybe it's the spark plugs, maybe it's the coil packs, I don't know. Hopefully this gives me a little bit of more of an oomph. That's a hell of a place to put the steering arm. And these plugs don't actually look all that bad. I'm wondering if this guy that I bought this truck from did a recent tune-up before he sold me the truck. You know, I used to think that they put this little cardboard thing on here to protect that little protruding electrode thing. But now I'm thinking that since these spark plugs just don't have that at all, I'm thinking that they're only putting this on there just to protect the threads. I used to think it was for the threads and that electrode, but I guess it's just for the threads. So let's see if it sounds any different. No, it sounds exactly the same. Sounds exactly the same. All the way down to first gear. So if you're going to be sitting there trying to say, well, your transmission's shot or some shit like that, it just got rebuilt, so it sure as shit ain't the transmission. So it's either the extreme weight of this thing or I just need more power. But what I'm looking at is that's $120 not well spent. But at least I do get to say I have the world's first Tahoe to ever have laser spark plugs. And at the end of the day, isn't that what real car customization is all about?